Hey there, I just want to say hi. Thank you for my subscribers, and I'm going to give you a review of this program. It's called Easy One Up with David Derek, where he literally does everything for you and he does what he says. Because I went in and joined in and already got sales. I joined in like 2 days ago and I already got $100 already. So that's I mean it's pretty. They pay you. It works. The system works. It's not a scam. So I would suggest you jump in and go to the program because they just literally just share your link. That's all you do. You know. So it's just 5 levels. Whatever level you go in. If you go into the higher level, you earn all the commissions from the lower levels. So that's pretty good. So if you after the video, if you got value from this video, subscribe to my channel, share it, like it. I'll appreciate it if you like it. So let's go jump into my computer and show you my results from this Easy One Up with David Derek. And I'll see you. See you later in a minute. Hey there. Well, this is my back office of Easy One Up. As you can see, this is my name over here. That's my name right there. So this is the active members right here. Active. I got one active on pay 17, and you got $100 in 2 days. What I made in 2 days. And this is just the best. You get your account here, and you got your welcome email, your profile. You can put your profile, your personal information about you, the billing information, payment collection, custom. You want to get, how you want to get paid. You have to fill out the forms. You get paid by Stripe or Solid, or you get paid by Bitcoin. So there are many ways to pay here. They also got financing. If you want to get finance, just watch this video and they tell you how you can finance through them.
Yes. All right. Now this is an interactive webinar. Okay, this is an interactive webinar from time to time. I'd love to hear what you're thinking, okay, or see in the chat what you're thinking. And thus, I'd love for you to type in the chat. So keep that ready. We want to go over today the layaway financing program, and we'll go over there nice and slow. We've made some updates since we did this a few months ago, and we're going to give you a nice PowerPoint presentation about this. Now,
well, there it is, a financing. If you want to finance it, you can finance it. So this is it. It's the dashboard right here. See all the emails I got, all the people that sign in. So we got my team, my commissions. We got news here, support. We got the leaderboards. So everything's good here, guys. So this is a good program. So hopefully I'll make more commissions. I'll see you in a minute. Hey there, I'm back. Like I told you, so I show you my back office of Easy One Up that I got paid. So I'll show you how it works. So if you're really serious about it, click the link below and get more information. And I wish you the best in this program because this is a good program because I've been online for 2.5 years and I've never seen anything like this. That just share your link and he does all the selling and telling. That's pretty good, because not a lot of programs do that. Sometimes you buy a program here and you just gotta go through your autoresponder. You set the landing page, set this and that. It takes a lot of work to do all that. But if you're a newbie, this is a good program to promote, and it does pay you. So if you want more information, click the link below and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching my video.